All right, so we're going to start off with, what does 75 mean to you?
75 to me means history, innovation, and adaptation. 75 years is 3 generations of workforce, engineering, labor, and leadership.
Schroeder is celebrating its 75th anniversary this year, and later this year I'll be celebrating my 43rd anniversary.
Well, as a company, 75 sounds pretty impressive.
75 years marks a lifetime of achievement, really. And that staying relevant and vital as a company is not something you see commonplace nowadays.
For Schroeder Industries, that required innovations in design, materials, manufacturing, and business operations.
75 used to sound old, but I'm getting older now too.
Industry and technology have changed and advanced significantly since the company's start.
The ability to start a company following the Second World War, like Schroeder did, and maintaining that Schroeder family presence within the company for that long really shows itself.
The Education Assistance Program allowed me to get my bachelor's degree.
Went back to college.
I started with Schroeder Industries as a cooperative intern through the University of Pittsburgh
From the University of Pittsburgh.
and have been working with Schroeder in some form ever since.
In those 6 years, I've been able to develop in my career in both product and project management, and starting as a product specialist and working my way up through to currently a product manager.
When I first got here, I didn't know it was another job or whatnot, but it was real comfortable place.
There are opportunities here that I've been afforded to be able to collaborate and work on relationships with global customers and global colleagues from involvement with our parent company. So that's something that I wouldn't have had as a work experience being employed by any other company like Schroeder Industries.
I'll be celebrating my 43rd anniversary.
12 years.
6 years.
Well, if we can last through last year, I see big things.
As we're all starting to get our legs back under ourselves, that we're looking at a season of growth and success.
Technology is changing at a faster pace than any time in history.
For the future of Schroeder Industries, I see continued innovation and adaptation as we continue to evolve in a changing world. I think our primary focus will remain the same in that we produce products to maximize the life of fluid systems and components. Inherent in that is improved efficiencies, reduced energy consumption, and a reduction in waste as components and fluids have longer service lives.
You know, what we're seeing is a growth in demand for data, the information that's needed to work remotely or to shop remotely or to do business virtually. Really puts a strain on the infrastructure that's currently in existence. So that opens a lot of business opportunities.
All of these things are incredibly important as the world works to reduce emissions and transition to renewable energy sources.
Within the fluid power industry, we're always pushing to find new ways to collaborate with customers. And I think what's more exciting from my perspective in the future of what Schroeder is doing is that it's no longer about products. It's more about a collaborative process to create the best solution with the most value for a customer.
Our team, our people are resilient, we're persistent, and we're committed to the success of our customers. And we look forward to the next 75 years and to the opportunities that it will bring, the challenges we know we will face, and the need to continue to grow and evolve as we have in the past.
If we couple those innovations with the values that have shaped us over the past 75 years, I believe that our future will be very bright.
It's exciting to see that's where Schroeder Industries is going, in the future to come.